Okay, this video is a video for those of you who are applying for the blogging position, the data entry position, and as well it is a video for those of you who are applying for the management position. Okay, so all of you need to do this test to begin with, and it's not going to take you very long to do. And then the second phase is actually going to be a paid exercise that you're going to be doing. You're actually going to be creating some blog posts for real customers, and we're going to pay you for those provided that you have followed all of the steps that we have in the file I'm about to show you, and the file that you received from us. So you would have received from us an Excel file, and you are looking at this video. That's all you really need to perform this test. After you're complete, you've finished the test, all you have to do is send us back the attached file, renaming that file to your name. Okay, so this is going to be an Excel file that you need to open, and it's going to look like this one. And up at the top here, I'm just going to I'm going to clear these out because you're going to be pasting some links in here, and I'm going to show you how to do that. What you're going to be doing for us today is you're going to be doing some blogging. All right. We do two types of blogging for our customers. We do what's called SEO blogging, and then we do what's called viral blogging. You're going to be doing this every day for our customers if you're interested in the job, and you're going to be paid for doing this. You're going to be paid for each one that you do. Okay, so you can make around $1 to $2 an hour, depending upon how fast you are when you do this particular task. Now, we don't want you to rush. Okay, we need you to do this in a neat way. The post has to look good. It can't have any errors, and those are the people that we're looking for, and we're going to be paying after they do this task. All right. Now, what you're going to do today is you're going to be posting one SEO blog, and you're going to be posting one viral blog to my domain, to my actual blog. And then, like I said, I'm going to give you a real customer, and we're going to test you with a real customer, and provided that you did it properly, you're going to be paid for that exercise. All right. So what you need to do right now is open up this file, and then I need you to open up your Internet Explorer, whatever program you happen to use. And I'm just going to shut down a few things right now. You might want to do this as well, because if you have too many windows open, it's going to slow your computer down, and you don't want to do that. You want to keep your computer running as quick as you can for this task. So I'm just going to shut some of these things down right now, and some of them I have to leave open, but I'm going to shut down most of them. Alright, so what you need to do is you're going to be going into my Empower Network blog, and you're going to be getting a link that looks like this one. Where are we here? This link right here. This is the link that we're going to send you. All you have to do is paste this link up into the address bar here, and then you're going to open it, and the password is love, and I'm just going to log out, and I'm going to log back in and just show you actually how to do this. Hopefully I can get into this. Alright, let's try this again. It should bring me to the word. Yeah, okay, so the username is Don Missy. The password is love, lowercase. Alright, so this is all uppercase, then this is lowercase. Then you're going to log in, and it's going to bring you to the dashboard. I like to exit out of easy mode and go into advanced mode. You want to do the same. Then you're going to go to posts, and you're going to be adding a new post. Okay, so and here's where you're going to get your content. We're going to give you some websites where you can grab content for your customers, but a lot of the time you're going to be using alexa.com. Okay, so just go to alexa.com and go to the What's Hot tab at the top here, and you're going to find a whole bunch of articles here that are ranked high on Google right now. I want you to click on one of them. Doesn't matter which one you click on, just click on one. And you're going, the first thing that, now you're going to be following this checklist here in the test template file that we sent you. You're going to be following all of these 14 steps right here. Okay, so I'm going to highlight those because those are the ones you're going to be doing in the test. These other ones are for other types of blogging that you're going to be doing later. But for the test, you're going to be doing these 14 steps. Now, I'm going to show you right now how to do each of these. And then later when you do the viral blogging, just refer back to the video on how I did these, and you're going to be doing these 7 steps. So it's going to take you between 1 and 2 minutes to do a viral blog once you are familiar with it, and it's going to take you about 5 minutes to do these steps. Okay, so you notice with the viral blogging, we're only doing some of the steps. We're not doing all of the steps. This one we're doing all 14. So I'm going to go over that with you right now, and then when you're done, you're going to be copying the URL to that blog post and pasting it either in the viral blogging section or the SEO blogging section. This is the SEO blog steps. This is the viral blog. Okay, so let's go back to my post, and the first thing I'm going to do is I need to grab the title of this post, of this article. I'm going to copy the title exactly verbatim, exactly as it is in the article. I'm going to paste it in the top here. Now I'm going to upload an image, and I'm going to select the image in the article, and I'm going to put that image in my blog. I'm going to paste it right in there, and then see where it says link image to. Well, you're going to be pasting the link in there as well, and then you're going to click link to image, so that way we have a reference for the image. I'm going to insert it just like it has it in the article and see if it works. Okay, doesn't look like it's going to work. That's okay though. You got to make sure, guys, that this picture, okay, when I publish this picture, I'm going to show you something here. You got to make sure that when you publish a picture that it isn't too big, that it doesn't spread over into this area over here. It has to stay right on this page. Okay, it can't go over into this area. If you do put it in that area, you're not going to get points for that blog. All right, and you have to get points. You have to get all the points in order to be paid for this blog. All right. Now the other thing that I'm going to do is right now, and what you're going to do is I'm only going to copy 40% of the text from this article. You can't copy more than 40%. So you're going to only copy exactly word for word this article, okay? And only 40% of the article. You can't copy more than that. Now the trick to getting this text at the bottom of this picture is to go into the HTML tab and then click at the end of the HTML and insert a couple of lines and then paste the text into there. Then you can go back to your visual page and you can go to your text and you can select it, okay, and you're going to be putting it in block quotes. And the reason you're doing that is because you've taken this information from another website. So you have to put it in block quotes. Now I'm going to grab a little bit more information. and I'm going to paste it in here at the bottom. Then you need to put a reference to where you got this information. So what you have to do is put 3 dots and then type the words read more at, put a colon and a space, go back to the URL where you took the article from. So you got the article from this URL, and you're going to paste this right at the bottom, right into the text. Okay, there we go. Now what you have to do is you need to add a summary to this article. So what you're going to do is you're going to go back to Alexa, where you got the article to begin with, and you're going to copy whatever text you can see in here that is related to this article. And it doesn't look like there's anything in there. You notice here they've buried a lot of keywords in here. It's called keyword stuffing. We don't want to do that. Okay, we're just going to copy whatever line has something to do with the article. Okay, so we're going to copy this and we're going to paste that into the bottom here. The other thing you can do, if you can't find a summary there, is you can actually take the title of the article, this title here, okay, and you can put that into a Google search. You know, I'm using Google Chrome, so my Google search is at the top, and just search for that article. And then you can find a summary right here. Okay, so what you can do is just grab that if you want, and you can use that as the summary instead of the one that you took from Google. Alright, now what you need to do is you need to customize this blog, because the way it is right now, it's not really customized to you, to the customer. You need to come out of block quotes. You need to add a sentence here. Now, if you can't think of a sentence yourself, you can go back to the instructions and you're going to find here opening sentences. Okay, and you can paste one of these into the article. Now make sure that if you're doing more than one post later for your customers, make sure that you use a different sentence for each post that you do. Don't use the same sentences over and over and over again. Okay? So I'm just going to copy this one and I'm going to paste it right at the top. Oop. Okay, let's see. Let's see if I can do that again. Okay, no, that was right. It actually did work. So I'm going to paste it right down here. And now you notice it does have spell check. Make sure you spell properly, okay, because you'll lose points if you don't spell properly. I like to put this in bold. Now what you need to do is you need to put a closing sentence. So you're going to do the same. Unblock the text. And if you can come up with your own, that's even better. Now, The one thing you got to be careful about when you're copying these from Excel, you notice it put it in a box. I'm not sure how that's going to affect how the article looks. So I'm going to check that out right now, because we don't want it to look like it's in a box. If we can avoid that, it would be better. Okay. For some reason it's not, it didn't update that yet, which is fine. It will update it. We'll go back to it later, take a look at it. So now the next step you need to do is you need to find a video that is related to this article. So you're going to go to YouTube, and you're going to paste the article name into the search bar for Google, because you want to try and see if you can find a video that someone might have made of this particular fish that they caught in this article. So there is a video. So let's see if we can get this video. Alright. We're just going to give a quick listen to this video. Now you notice this video is nothing but a picture, so it's no good for us. Alright, so we're going to go back. We're going to click on this one. We're going to see if this is a real video. Now you got to make sure that when you post a video, it has to be a nice clean video. You know, just kind of go through the video and make sure that there's nothing bizarre, nothing about this video that is, you know, if you got someone on there who's ranting and raving or who's saying something that's really distasteful, you want to get it off. You don't want to post that on there. Now, this guy just made a video of the article itself and then made a commentary on it, which isn't necessarily a bad thing. I've never used one like this before, so we're going to take a chance here, and we're going to post this video, and hopefully maybe we're going to get some ranking from this video. So this video itself, you don't want to spend a whole lot of time on these videos, but this video really isn't something that I'd want to put on my wall or for my customer. So I'm just going to look for a video that has to do something with an oarfish, and you know, I'm going to look for something that is related to it. Here's one that's related to it. And I'm going to, you know, here's one here that actually looks pretty good. So I'm going to click on that one, and I'm going to post this one. Okay, so that article is not really any good either, because it's just someone talking about it. So what we're going to do is we're going to go back to the oarfish caught on tape, and we're going to try and pick the best video that we can. And here's one that might be pretty good. So I'd rather post this video, copy the URL. So you're going to copy the embedded HTML, okay, and you're going to go back to the post, and you're going to insert this embedded HTML into the HTML tab at the bottom here. You're going to paste that in there. Now the next thing you need to do is you need to go to Twitter, and you need to search Twitter, and you're going to search for a tweet that is related to this post. So again, we're going to copy the title, and we're going to paste it into the search bar for Twitter, and we're going to look for the most recent tweet about this particular news item, which is this one right here. So I'm going to click on the 25 minutes ago. You notice how it has the 25 minutes here. Just click on that, and it's going to bring you to another page where it says embed this tweet. I want you to click on that. Then it's going to open up a pop-up that's going to give you the HTML code. I want you to copy that code, go back to your article, okay, and I want you to paste that code right below the video. Alright, so we're going to update this now. Alright, now we're going to post some tags, and we're going to post a category. We're going to put this in a category. We're going to put it in news and nature. Okay. Then we're going to post some tags, and you can grab the tags from the actual article summary itself. Remember that summary that you copied? Well, you're going to go down to that summary right here, and you know that this is an oarfish, so you're going to put in oarfish. So we're going to put Florida. We're going to put Empower Network. We're going to put new article. We got Florida, we got oarfish, we got let's see, okay, so we'll just put mysterious as a tag. Okay, so as long as you got 5 tags in there that are related to the article, you're good to go. Now, if you don't have, you can't put tags in here that are not related to the article. Make sure it is relevant to the article. Some of our bloggers are putting tags in there that aren't even relevant to the article. So make sure that you only put tags that are relevant. Now we're going to go back to looking at this post, and hopefully everything shows up this time. Okay, so everything's there. Now what we need to do is help syndicate it. We're going to Google Plus it. And sometimes you need to be logged in, or you're not going to be able to syndicate. So you want to make sure that you're logged in. Now, you know, if you log in and you know, you don't want to put a comment, that's okay. You don't have to put a comment. If you want to put a comment, you can, and then you want to tweet it. So, alright, so we've syndicated that article. Unfortunately, we can't do anything with Facebook because this article, they've been banned from Facebook. So I'm just going to put something down here. Alright, so now you're done. What you need to do now is you need to copy this post, and you need to paste it at the very top of the file that I sent you, and it's going to be under SEO. So I'm going to paste that article right in here. You notice the article is clickable. You want to make sure it comes in blue and it's clickable. Alright, so let's go over the items to make sure we covered everything. And we did the title, we did the image, we linked it, we made up a sentence, we copied 40% of the news, we put it in block quotes, we made a closing sentence, we posted a recent video or a video related to the post, we posted a recent tweet, we entered the tags, we put it in a category. Oh, the resource box. This is the step I forgot to do. Now, for your resource box, you're going to be sent a resource box in a when you're working for us. you're going to receive it in a notepad file. But in this case, the resource box is already pasted into this cell. So all you have to do is just copy the HTML. So all of this, you're going to copy that. You're going to go back to your blog, and you're going to go to the HTML tab, and you're going to go right to the very bottom, okay? And you're going to paste it right into the bottom, all right? And you're going to update. All right. Now we'll go back to the instructions to make sure we did all of the steps. We did the resource box, we published it, we syndicated it, we copied the link into Excel. Alright, so we're done. Now what you need to do next is you need to do a viral blog. Okay, now with a viral blog, you're going to only be doing some of these steps. You're not going to be doing all of them. Okay, you're going to be copying the title like we did. You're going to copy an image with the link. You're going to make up a sentence or copy one of them that's provided for you. You're going to copy 40% of the news item within block quotes. You're going to copy the resource box and put it at the bottom. You're going to enter your tags and your category. You're going to publish it, and you're going to syndicate it like I had shown you. And then you're going to copy the URL into the file, into the report. Alright, so there's 9 steps involved. You're going to find that as you are doing this, you're going to find that you're actually able to do this method of blogging a lot faster than this method. This one is going to take you about 5 minutes to do. This one's going to take you maybe at the very most 2 minutes to do. Alright, so that's pretty well it for your test. Now, what I'm going to do now is when I get back this file, so you're going to have another one in the viral section. So I should see 2 files here. I'm going to go and check these, and I'm going to make sure that you followed all of the steps. If you did, I'm going to get in touch with you, and I'm going to give you a customer to start with. Just one customer. You're going to do some blogging for that customer. You're going to do 10 viral. You're going to do 15 SEO. And then you're going to send me back this file again. And I'm going to have those posts checked by our supervisor. And provided that you did it properly, then you're going to be getting the go-ahead to continue posting to that customer. In fact, you can assume that you got the job if you don't hear back from us. Okay, so if you get an email from us and you made a mistake, you're going to be given an opportunity to fix it and then do the test again, and then you can continue working for us. You will be paid for this blogging that you do as long as you followed all of these steps. Okay, so all of the payment details are going to be sent to you in the second email that you get from us. So after you're done this test today, you're going to get another email with a real customer's name, and you're going to be going into his or her blog and doing the blogging for us. And you're going to be paid for that, all right? And you'll continue working for us as long as you continue to do the blogging in the right way, the way that we specify for you to do it. If you start taking shortcuts and you know trying to trick us and taking shortcuts and not doing the job the way that we told you to do, then you're not going to be getting any more customers, and your blogging is going to stop. Okay, you'll be paid up to date, and that'll be it. All right, so that's pretty well it. Good luck with the test, and I look forward to seeing your results and working with you. You have a great day. Oh, the last thing I should mention to you is if you applied for this job and you want the management position, you need to start as a blogger first. Then you need to reply to me and tell me why or what experience you have that qualifies you to work for us as a manager. We'll get back in touch with you and there will be another test that you need to do if you want to be considered to work as a manager. So you have to have some experience managing other people, and not that we're only hiring one manager right now, so not all of you are going to get the chance to do the management test. Only the ones that I think are qualified to do the test will get the test. Alright, so that's pretty well it. I want to wish you the best of luck, and we'll talk to you again. Alright, you have a great day. Bye-bye.